Hi, this is Quinlan, and today I'm deep in the wilds of Hokkaido. I'm here to explore by snowshoe a place which is called Narugami Falls, or more accurately, Narugami Ice Falls. It's a hyobaku in Japanese, or a frozen waterfall. And this place is said to be the home of 2 dragons, as there are 2 waterfalls and each one represents the dwelling place of one of these mythical beasts. Okay, so let me show you what I'm talking about. So we've reached the first slightly sketchy place on this rather casual snowshoe hike, and that's where we gotta cross this river, and it's not completely buried in snow. And so our guide here is going to check out the safest crossing point. Maybe follow the deer tracks. Our guide has found a crossing area, and this is it.
So mushroom.
Cute.
Mini mushroom ですね。すごい綺麗でしょ。
綺麗綺麗。Making a bridge for a group of us to cross.
そこすごい。あんまりゆっくりそうスローリスロー。でこう。ナイス。ナイスナイス。
Got a large group today. Our guide has just told us that it's a bit of a steep slope here, a little bit of a physically challenging place. So what?
This way.
Oh, that way. Ah, there's like an old stairway.
で、ストックこっち気をつけてね。こっち必ずメインで。で、ストックこっち短く。ショート。こっちロングで。グローブした方がいい。グローブ。ちょっと待ってて。
This path is actually off limits in the summertime because the stairway is broken, so we can only come here in the winter.
大丈夫。いいよ。
As you can see, it's pretty steep. Wouldn't be great to fall down that way. So we won't. This stairway is, I guess, broken, and so in the summertime, it's a no admission situation.
もしあれだったらね。で、サイド。大丈夫。手すり使って降りてくださいね。で、怖かったら横向いた方がいいです。勇気あったら前向いていいし。はい、じゃあ横向いていきましょう。大丈夫ですよ、乗れられる。はい。
We've reached the waterfall, and look at that. That is what they call in Japanese a hyobaku, or ice falls.
Wow. すごいでしょ。
すごい. Look at this waterfall. Ice falls. Not fully formed. I wouldn't try to climb this, but looks nice.
That is insane.
So there are 2 dragons here, there and there. First, we're going to go to the shrine of the dragon god to pray for, I guess, safety, among other things. Seems like some people have already left Miki Japanese sake here. Dragons in Japanese mythology are actually snakes. They're a deity called Ryujin-sama, and it's basically a god of wealth and financial luck. And so the local people who told me about this location and who took me here, the guide explained that people believe that through coming here, they improve their financial situation. And I've been at other similar shrines to the snake and dragon god where people do things like wash their credit cards, wash their wallets with the water coming from there, believing that this will give them, more money, basically.
お参りしましょう。
しましょう。
岩の上に積もってから気をつけて。どうぞ。すごいでしょ。
すごい、いいね。This is one of the waterfalls right here that's considered to be the dwelling place of the dragon god, and this is the other one, of course the main waterfall. And people would believe that the dragons dwell in this lake down below here and then ascend into the heavens via the waterfalls, as you can see. You might wonder if this Dragon Waterfalls has something to do with the Ainu peoples of Hokkaido, but it probably doesn't have anything to do with them. It very well might have been considered sacred by them in some way, but the whole concept of dragons is something that was brought over by the Japanese people, the Wa people, the Yamato Empire, and that the people coming up later on. And the Ainu don't really have dragons worked out into their mythology. And so it is something probably that was named within the last 200 or 300 years from the Japanese from the main continent of Japan coming up. I'm actually here today with a group that are filming a little promotional video of a one-day tour of this area. It's called a Day of Adventure, but they're just filming a little quick 90-second, maybe no talking promotional video. And so I just wanted to show you this little place and explain a little bit about it in my own words since I came here. And so, yeah, I hope this was fun, this little diversion of seeing this place. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the trails.